Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Siruiton protective cover for a 3-seater garden bench. It is a waterproof bench cover for winter time, for protection, for summertime, against ultraviolet violence rays, or for the garden bench cover, anti-UV coating inside, baby. In this case here it is 63D to 163 with wide and 66 height centimeters. It comes with durable materials and of course durable dimensions. So you can look what dimensions your 3-seater or a bench at home had to be, and then of course you can look which of these covers will cover this for the winter time, for example, which is weather resistant and dust proof, because this garden bench cover protects our furniture from the elements of forces such as wind, sand, storms, sun and rain, and all the other stuff. The garden bench cover dimensions is 163 to 66 to 63 and 89 centimeter. It's suitable for the most styles 3-seater hardwood benches out there. Because there's a problem with the hardwood benches out there in winter time, for example. Because it's so wet, because of the rain, and then it maybe snow is coming and under 0 degrees Celsius temperatures are coming, for example, then there will come ice on it and so on, and this will is not good for your wooden benches at home, of course. But here is the solution for that problem. It is tear resistant and wind resistant. From amazing high quality materials, and bound edges provides a full protection for the cover against cracks. On the bench cover there is a velcro side strap specially designed to keep the garden bench cover securely on the bench, so that the bench cover is not blown away by the wind. And of course maybe it's summer and the sun is burning all day long on your bench in the garden, for example. And this is not good for the wooden bench too, because of the UV rays. It will damage too. Then it's waterproof and UV protection here. The bench cover has a waterproof design against water, rain and so on, and it protects against damage from rain and snow, moisture and more. And the UV resistant design provides exceptional resistance to sunlight, dirt and dust too. With your durability and reliability gives our garden bench protection for a lot of years, for many years of protection. That means if you do not cover your bench at the winter time, for example, maybe it will be nice for 5 years or 10 years in the garden. But if you protect this, the bench will in your garden for 20 years, for example. So this is the double of time of life for this bench. And it's easy to clean, and of course we can easily store it away. We simply wipe the damn cloth and dry it in the sand, and it comes with a storage bag for storage when it is not in use. Because of course we like to use our bench in the summertime or there, but then it is easy peasy get into the bag. So it's waterproof PVC, it's windproof, and of course it is an exquisite car seams makes it furniture cover look like a craft. Thanks to the double needle sewing technology, the furniture cover is not easy to tear, of course. And then it will be helps to protect your bench in the garden or where you have your bench, of course. This is the Siruiton protective cover for our 3-seater garden bench. It's a waterproof bench cover for the garden to cover it at winter time or to cover it in a long summertime against UV and against wind and against rain and against snow. That's a nice coating inside. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon. Nice bench at home.